So today I will teach you how to do the read. Just go to settings and go to storage, then create a read storage. Go to create this image file, then hit go to storage file, then put 50 MB. Then check the allocatable size, then finish. Then create 10 more to proceed to the read. Second one is 50 MB, and then allocatable size. Then I'll just skip to the when you already create 10 DHCP reads. And that's all 10 of the read. Then open the server. Then go to the server manager, then go to the storage, then go to this management, then choose the master boot record because we're just using 50 MB, so MBR is the best one for 50 MB. Then go to this one, then go to this one, then right click this one, then use span volume, then next, then add to disk, add, then next, then next, then next, then change the volume level to read 0 strip. And for next one, go to the history and check the mirrored, then next, then check to disk, then next, then next, then read one mirrored, then next, then that's the mirrored part. Then for the next one is the span, select to disk, and next, then read to span, and I did it. I got wrong on the first one. I need to make a strict because I need to span. then okay, then go back to the span, create 3 discs for the span, then next then change them into RAID 2 span, and next, then finish, then okay. And for the last one, for the 8 disk 8, 9, 10, just create a new RAID number 5, just create 3 disks, then next, and next, then change the volume label to RAID 3, RAID 5, and next, then finish. And that's all for the read. And to test it out, go to computer. As you can see, the 4 disks from the RAID 1, RAID 2, RAID 3, and RAID 0. RAID 6, Spanner, and RAID 5. Let's try to put some folder. Or like text document to try to press it and save. And for the remainder, let's try it. Then save. The span, testing, and save. And for the RAID 5, testing, then and save. And I think that's it for the read. Thank you.